Make it. My check. Check. What is going on, people? What is popping? Welcome back to the market. Hope you guys are all doing well. If you guys can hear me clearly coming into the airways, not the airwise, give me a quick thumbs up. And let's get the show on the road, people. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome back to the market. Hopefully you guys are all doing well. Happy Monday. Good morning. All right. How'd you guys do over the weekend? There's so many different football games going on. I know we have Christmas football coming up. I know we have Christmas itself coming up on Wednesday, so I know that's going to be... All right, quick review, guys. Today's a full day for the market. Tomorrow's a half day for the market. Wednesday is a holiday. Thursday's Boxing Day. We're back and volume will be low. Friday, of course, is going to be Friday. But it's the last full week of the year. Pull us into review here. Let's take a little quick peek here. The last full week of the year. Yes, next Wednesday is going to be New Year's, so Thursday next week we're off. Back again on Friday. And then following that, it is business as usual. Business as usual. All right, people. Well, if you have not yet, of course, guys, smash the like button, engage the video. Welcome in. For those of you guys who are new, subscribe to the channel. For those of you guys who want to live trade with us, of course, the link should be pinned top of chat for the Discord. Feel free to jump in there, guys, before next week, Wednesday, when prices will be changing. But for those of you guys who are already in, of course, prices never do change. So feel free to take a look at a free trial if you want to check it out. We are looking at a pretty we are looking at a pretty solid gap up right now in the market, and this is going to be interesting. Oil is also up right now. Oil is also up right now. Oh my days. For those guys from the Discord, I did get myself some calls for USO for January. And I would love to see what those look like first things first this morning. Oh my days. They might be in the money at open. Oh my goodness. This is going to be potentially something special here. The trend is, whoa. The trend is looking a little fantastic, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. Gang, there was some news coming out over the weekend about SpaceX, Tesla, and potentially a SPAC merger, and I kind of want to cover that a little bit with you guys. Let's start there, okay? Yeah, we do have commodity. Oh, yeah, guys. Gold, GLD, currently up, new all-time highs. We kind of saw that coming. SLV as well, just pushing here up 2.6%. This thing is, moving and grooving to new highs every single week. Since we had that cup and handle all the way back at the end of November, this thing has risen. Let's see here. 29% from the day close on Wednesday, November 26th. SLV is up 29%. This is a legit squeeze. As legitimate as you want to see it. Legit. I don't know why that's still going on. But chat, I do want to get into this SPAC merger with Tesla and what that may look like with SpaceX. So let's start there. Okay. Quick question for you guys. Because I know everyone comes from several different areas, but in regards to your favorite holiday, put a quick 1 in chat if it's Christmas, put a quick 2 in chat if it's Thanksgiving. Where do these two rank here? 1 in chat for Christmas, 2 in chat for Thanksgiving. Where are we ranking here? Let me know your thoughts. Okay, lots of ones. Lots of ones. Okay, so Christmas is more time off, more family time. Fair. I can see that. Okay. A few for Thanksgiving, but mainly for Christmas. All right. So here's the news on Bill Ackman and Elon Musk and that conversation.
Guy right there, investor Bill Ackman, one in the center, not me, wants to help Elon Musk, or suggesting maybe that he could help SpaceX take SpaceX public. In Weekend Post on X, Ackman suggested that Musk merge SpaceX with a special type of acquisition company that Ackman's firm created. And under the plan, Ackman said that Tesla shareholders could receive so-called SPARs. Those are special purpose acquisition rights, so that they could participate in SpaceX's IPO down the road. According to Ackman, this would reward loyal Tesla shareholders with the opportunity to invest in SpaceX or with cash for their SPARs, while totally democratizing the IPO process. Reports have said that SpaceX is gearing up for a possible IPO next year. Ackman also floated the idea of certain investors in the transaction receiving rights to be able to participate in a future IPO of Musk's AI company, XAI. Andrew.
What do you think of that, Joe?
I'm not sure.
Go for it?
I'm not. I mean,
so this is interesting, right? There is potential, and not that he has to do it, but there's potential that SpaceX could merge with this acquisition company, IPO, go live in the market, give access to Tesla shareholders to get access to some of these shares. So by owning shares of Tesla, you would also have the opportunity to own a portion of SpaceX as well. Interesting. Now, do you wait the appropriate amount of time, which can take a while, and just go about it yourself? Or do you merger with somebody who already has the opportunity to do so and go live much faster, which would immediately make him a trillionaire and, of course, bring all the hate that having more money garners you?
I mean, just with what I read, sounds good, I guess, to have a chance to participate if you're loyal. I don't know. We can't do it.
Really interesting to see what would happen. Yeah. I don't know. I think there'd be a lot of people who'd be interested, though. We got a lot more coming up on Squawk this morning. We come.
Honestly, how much do you trust people is a question. How much do you trust people is the main question there. All right, guys, let's get into this. USO is looking pretty freaking fantastic this morning. I absolutely love the fact that, well, not love, but oh my goodness, oil is up and it is stuck. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Let's get back to the markets, get back to the big boys, okay? SPY currently up this morning. Q's currently up this morning as well. Bitcoin trying to make a little bit of a move here. I like that. ARK also up 1%. So Q's, ARK, IWM, everything's up a little bit here. IWM still looks like a bear flag. I don't trust it. I really don't. Not right now. Not yet. Tesla also up 1.2%, still below that level of resistance here. Very interesting. Wait, that everything is slowly. Google's back up as well. 2 points back into that flag. I like how the crypto names are moving here. CLSK is up 3%. Hut 8 trying to break out of this flag. MSTR currently up 3.2%. Riot currently up 3%. Wolf currently up as well. Rocket Lab up. Let me see how Palantir's looking. A touch. Nothing crazy. Okay, hold on. I need a better Christmas song here. Hold on. There we go. Also 0 for neither. Wait, you don't like Christmas or Thanksgiving? If you don't like Christmas or Thanksgiving, I just got to know what your favorite holiday is. Like, I need some sort of context here. I need some sort of. What is it? Tell me. Tell me. Oklo's looking good. Chat, pause music. Hey guys, listen. Be very careful here. Be very careful that this slight gap up doesn't fade as soon as the market opens. Because okay. All right. So let's just look at this for a second here, right? Oil. Not that oil. This oil. US oil is up. And I mean, like, it's up 2.7% right now. It is up, and moving. Oil has gone through quite the move, right? Cool. Gold. It is up. Silver. It is up. SPY. It is up. Qs. It is up. BTC. It is up. VIX. It is down. Almost at a double bottom. Basically back where we were on Friday, December 12th. Basically exactly where we were before. Where happened Friday, December 12th? December 12th? SPY. Friday, December 12th. This day right here. This day right here. Listen, I would just say, let's just keep an eye out for weakness. That's all I would say. Because everything is up. But normally, when you do see everything up, risk on and risk off assets both up at the same time, something is lying. There have been runs in the past where all these things can go up at the same time. But even then, normally one falls off much faster and in a much more hectic fashion than the others. Okay? So please be very careful here. It's either we're looking at a slight pullback with commodities or some of these gaps are going to get faded pretty quickly. All right. It's one or the other. All right. Be very careful here. Music back on. All right, chat. Let me know what names you guys are looking at, and I will pull these bad boys up bit by bit. Meta looking a little bit sketch at the end of the day on Friday. I would say as long as it can hold above roughly 660, it looks okay here. Below 660, then it gets a little, gets a little ugly. That's okay. That is A-okay. Tesla just knocking at the door here. Above 448, and that looks good. Below 448, meh. Below 481, not strong. All right. Key levels to watch here for Tesla, in my opinion, right here. Long above 448.54, short below 481.77. In this middle ground here, I'm chilling. Amazon also looking interesting. Very interesting. Oh, birthday. BD's birthday. Got you. AA currently up this morning after having a 6% day. Yes, this has been an absolute banger. AA is looking strong as ever. Currently up 1.6%, now trading at $52. For those of you guys from the Discord, you guys know we got some calls here for that breakout all the way back on Thursday, December 11th, and it's been consolidating and ripping ever since. This has been a pretty nice trend of rip. This thing ripped up 18%, 3 days of consolidation. Ripped up 6%, 5 days of consolidation. Ripped up 5%, 6 days of consolidation. Ripped up 7%, maybe it consolidates from here, but it's been pretty much a stair step all the way up here, right? Look at this bad boy. Up, consolidate, up, consolidate, up, consolidate, up. Just magic. Stair step up for AA. The next level up that I'd be looking for, guys, for this bad boy. The next level up that I'd be looking for would probably be this little gap fill here, roughly 53 towards 50. It's in the 53s for the gap fill. Besides that, you got 57 to 60 next. It has a long way to go. It has a long way to go here. All good though. It looks great. Volume looks great. Flow looks great. Structure looks great. Breakout looks fantastic. No complaints there whatsoever. Straight stair stepping is right. Next, Oracle. All right, let's pull it up. For those of you guys who just jumped in here, if you guys haven't yet, of course, guys, do me a quick favor and smash the like button, engage with that video. For those of you guys who already did smash the like button, engage with that video, thank you guys very much. I do appreciate it. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Why would that not be? Okay. There you go. Somebody said 20. All right. Well, I can't see the. I mean, I can't go see them. I'm not gonna pull up to go take a look at them now. If you haven't smashed the like button, then, well, you're getting coal in your Christmas tree this year, and that's fine. If that's what you want, then that's perfectly fine. Honestly, if you get some quality coal for the barbecue, it's not always a bad thing. I always thought about that. If you were to get some coal, what would you do with it? Put it on the barbecue. You know what I mean? If you were to get some coal and some smoked wood, you know what I mean? Like some wood to help with smoking some ribs or something like that, that wouldn't be horrible. I don't necessarily look at coal under the Christmas tree as a threat. As long as it would come with some sort of like hickory or, you know what I mean? Like something that kind of make it work. I can deal with the coal. Oracle, to me, it came close. I almost came close to cutting Oracle. I'm not going to lie. It came close. I mean, when I say it came close, it did have a daily candle close below my risk level. It was a Wednesday. It's a share trade. I decided to keep it chill. But this looks okay. I could see Oracle coming back down to fill this gap all the way back down here. I would not be shocked if we see something along the lines of this before we start seeing that. So just keep that part in mind. Oracle can be very finicky. Okay? I like it. I'm not going to hold my breath right now. Not going to hold my breath quite yet. Let's see here. Look at silver. I've been looking at silver. SLV is doing the damn thing. Up 30% in the last less than 30 days. It's averaging like 1% a day. Hold on. Today's what, the 22nd? Well, I can't go 21st. All right. Since the close on the 21st, SLV is up 37%. That is more than 1% per day. Over the last 30 days, SLV is up more than 1% per day. That's all right. That's not bad. That is not bad. It's moving. TSM, AVGO. AVGO. Hey, listen, AVGO looks like it wants to go back up to push that 374. We'll keep an eye out for that. INTC is also up this more. Oh, wow. Yeah, this is interesting. This is interesting. Let me take a look at a lab. Watch out for this one as well. We will keep an eye out for this one as well. Let me just take a look at some of these space and solar names here. SPIR currently up 7%. Yep. I can see that for sure. SPI up. SPIR is up. ASTS is also up. Anything else? SEDG is chilling here up a little bit. UUU is currently up. MP's up a touch. The SPY and the Qs are still pushing here. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is quite the move here from a lot of these individual names. All right, people. Ladies and gentlemen, ladies, we're going to get ready to leave things here for now. If you have something that's currently long in the market going in towards the holidays, do not forget, this is a very short week. Half day. You basically have 3.5 days this week versus 5. So make it, take it along the way, guys. Manage your risk. Don't forget, there is not much trading time this week in comparison to regular times. Plus, the volume will be low. So things can get a little bit interesting and sticky if you do not have more time and smaller size on your trades. Just keep that risk management in mind. As we're heading towards the holidays, guys, of course, be safe, stay healthy, all that jazz. For those of you guys who want to live trade with us, of course, the link should be pinned top of chat for the Discord for the trading community. January 1st prices do change, but there's a free trial at this point in time right now. Feel free to jump in there and live trade with us, guys, once the market opens. Mod Squad, we appreciate you guys. For those of you guys who are on Twitch, I got your points. My guy, Wealthy G Money, we will pull up Amazon before we get out of here. If you're on Twitch and you risk all your points, I wish you nothing but the best. Amazon looks decent here. I would still want to see it above Thursday's highs because right now we are seeing an inside day on Friday. So above Thursday's highs would be kind of like a green light to trade it long, I guess. But like I said with everything else, just be very careful with the weakness at open. If we do see any weakness at open, guys, please be very, very, very careful. Be very careful. All right, guys? Much love. Catch you on the flip side. Deuces.